Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious and perfect Nigerian jollof rice with just 2 sachets of tomatoes. No fresh peppers, no fresh tomatoes, and the rice came out so perfect. Let me show you how I made it. Here I have 3 cups of rice which I'll be using for the jollof, and then I'll be using this Gino Patty jollof tomato seasoning mix. In Nigeria here we have different types of jollof mix, so you can use any one. This is the one I'll be using for this rice. First I'll be washing my rice. I'll start by adding hot water into the rice, allow it to soak for about 3 to 5 minutes before I will now take it to my sink and rinse for about 5 to 6 times until the water becomes clean and clear. Next, I'll dry my cooking pot, add about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, allow it to heat up, then I'll fry my onions. I use 1 onion ball for this. Then I'll stir and fry it for about 2 minutes before adding the tomato mix. I will also stir fry this for about 3 minutes. Next, I'll add some seasoning cubes just to get more taste from it. I'm using 3 single seasoning cubes. After stirring for a few minutes, I'll go ahead and add some water to it. I'll also stir the water and the tomatoes very well and then taste to check if I'll add salt and more pepper. More pepper and the salt. Add according to your own taste. After stirring, it is now time to add in our water. Then I'll mix very well before adding more water to it, so as to know the quantity of water I will add. In all, I added 4.5 cups of water for the 3 cups of rice I'm cooking. I'll stir gently, cover and allow to cook on low heat until the water dries up. You can check at intervals to see whether the rice is still strong, whether you need more water, but mine was perfect. And here we have our jollof rice perfectly cooked. Brethren, I don't know why my camera gave me this color, but the color was so perfect. Ignore the color from the camera. In life, for life, the color was very perfect and the rice so delicious and perfect. And now it is time to dish out our perfectly cooked jollof rice with jollof rice mix. Treasures, if you're still watching, thank you so much. God bless you. Please give the video a thumbs up. And here we have our perfectly cooked Nigerian jollof rice. You can enjoy this with any protein or salad of your choice. I have different salad recipes in my channel. Do check my playlist. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. God bless you all. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye. And have a happy World Jollof Rice Day.